Every successful project starts with a detailed plan. Drawing up a blueprint for your world is one thing. Executing it is another. By utilizing trusted experts of SAP, you can ensure your clean core transformation journey is smooth and successful. Our software suite provides a clean core methodology with critical insights into your processes, integration, extensibility, data, and operations. Achieve enterprise efficiencies between your global teams like finance, procurement, and manufacturing. With SAP onboarding workshops crafted for RISE customers, leverage consistent business processes through our fit-to-standard methodologies. When evaluating extensibility, our tools highlight custom code and identify the potential impacts on your business. Our readiness check helps resolve any data quality issues, resulting in a cleaner landscape. Keep an eye on your integrations and exceptions through a specialized dashboard. Quickly analyze your full stack using end-to-end monitoring to keep effective and clean operations. Review your progress in Executive Dashboard on clean core compliance, data integration, and extensibility inside RISE with SAP Dashboard. With our suite, you can say goodbye to misunderstandings and say hello to higher value for everyone. Reach for the clouds and rise with SAP Cloud ALM today.